mobile app. Again, both Wealthfront and E-Trade core portfolios have good websites that largely replicate the desktop experience. E-Trade's mobile app is our top rated robo-advisor mobile app. In addition, E-Trade's mobile app makes transferring funds into or out of core portfolio accounts easy, as is transferring money from core portfolios to others. E-Trade accounts such as checking or bill pay. Wealthfront mobile app is also well rated and is easy to use with functionality very similar to its desktop version. Overall, we give E-Trade a slight edge in mobile platforms, but both are very good. Customer service is another key point of differentiation between E-Trade core portfolios and Wealthfront. Wealthfront leans more heavily on digital support to the minimization of human touch, while E-Trade can leverage a wider network of human support. Overall, core portfolios has better customer service than Wealthfront because it is easier to get people on the phone to help, and the service provides access to financial advisors during the day. Whether this matters depends largely on how you prefer to access help. Fees. Wealthfront fees are 0.25% on assets under management, while E-Trade's core portfolios charges 0.30%. Neither company offers treated time management fees. Core portfolios expenses are slightly lower than Wealthfront, but Wealthfront does not charge termination fees. Further, all taxable accounts at Wealthfront benefit from tax harvesting. The Wealthfront sales makes up of the 0.25% management